Hi, my name is Anubhav Khettry and today I'm gonna show you how you can find vulnerability using NMAP. So the command is nmap -script vuln and hyphen capital T 5 for faster scan and give the target IP. Now what this scan does is NMAP got lot of scripts available, so this command will run different scripts which is there with nmap on the target system and will try to discover vulnerability present inside it. So this is gonna take some time, maybe 2 or 5 minutes depending upon the system and the network. So we're gonna wait for the result. Now we have the scan results now. So one of the scripts which was run by nmap, that is smb-vuln-ms17-010 was able to discover vulnerability present inside the target system, which is ms17-010 vulnerability, and it is vulnerable to eternal blue attack. So this is how you can run nmap to find vulnerability inside the target system. Thank you.